Well, good evening. Noswonky here. Well, today's the 18th of April, and today we're checking out of our Osaka hotel, and we're going to travel to Sendai, which is up north. And I'm just in the lobby of the hotel here, waiting for Yuko to come down. She told me to come down first. I brought the luggage in the boxes. What we're going to do is leave this stuff here at the hotel. They'll keep it safe for us, and we'll travel with some smaller bags, and we'll come back in a few days, and we're going to stay here again just before we return home. So then we'll pick up our stuff. I think Yuka's going to mail these boxes back home. She's bought a whole bunch of stuff she can't carry, so she's going to mail stuff back. I don't know. I really don't understand what's going on. It's all a mystery to me. Now walking to the station. Look, there's a turntable. You excited? She's excited. We're now waiting for the Shinkansen to go to Tokyo, and then we change trains there to continue to Sendai. So we're catching the Hikari 648 at 11:18 AM. Got reserved seats. It's like a plane. You got to sit in the seat you're allocated. Trains at Tokyo. We're now on the train to Sendai, and we had 8 minutes to get from platform 19 to platform 20, which we hoped would be right next to it. As it turned out, it wasn't. So we had to go down some escalators, down some steps, through another gate. Yuko had to ask one of the staff where platform 20 was. Anyway, we found it. We got onto the platform with about 2 minutes to spare, and then we were next to car 9. We had to go to car 2, so we started trying to get to car 2 before the train left, but couldn't make it, so we had to just get on at about car 6 or something and walk through the train. But anyway, we're on the train, so we're laughing.
Dango.
What is it?
Like a mochi cake, but making by mochi powder. And this is shoyu and sugar.
Yep.
Very nice. Dango desu. Very nice.
We've arrived in Sendai, and we've checked into our hotel, and now we've come to have dinner at a yakitori restaurant. It's a very tiny restaurant. We're just sitting at a bar here, and the guy's cooking it right there. Kanpai.
Pretty good, isn't it?
Oh, you can't beat it. It's nothing like an ice cold. Well, I don't know what it is actually. Do you know what kind of beer?
It's Kirin.
Kirin?
I
Okay.
don't know.
It's probably Kirin.
Only,
Kirin. A Kirin is a giraffe. but it's also like a dragon, something like that. Right? It's the same word for both things. A giraffe is a bit like a dragon.